Guys, this is the most beautiful neighborhood I've ever seen, man. Don't tell me about Santon, don't tell me about Midrand. This is the most beautiful neighborhood I've ever seen. Just like, don't tell me about Santon, don't tell me about Midrand, guys. This is just so beautiful, man. This just reminds me that, like, I'm not him. Like, it's just not him. Just like, look. Guys, like, this just shows that you haven't done it yet. You think that you have money, but like, you haven't done it. Like, you're not there yet. You need to keep pushing, bro. God.
Yep, that is what happens when you are reckless.